What's going on here? What is this? Looks like this is separate. What's this?
Dichloromethane is at the bottom.
Right.
That's what we added to our tea bag.
Yes.
Deal. That was our whole solution. We did the tea bag. What else is it called? We did tea bag. We added sodium carbonate to it beforehand. Before we did it, we boiled it, and that brown liquid is the result of the sodium carbonate and the tea bag together. We added the dichloromethane, and then we extracted about a couple milliliters from this into a separate flask over there. And what Shanice has over there is drying tablets, these things.
Mm-hmm.
They're pellets that dry out the liquid from it. So we're drying out the dichloromethane, and then we're going to weigh it.
So briefly, did you do something like this? Did you take the tea leaves, and then you said you added carbonate, the sodium carbonate to it?
Mm-hmm.
You added this stuff. They have a flow chart.
Yeah, that whole thing you took a picture of is what we...
So now what stage are you at?
Right now, we're right here.
You're here.
Yeah.
And that's what this is.
Yep.
All right, awesome. So you're familiar with the distribution coefficient, the KD?
You mentioned a bit, I can use an example for the...
So this is your caffeine with calcium chloride. Now you have to go to a weight Erlenmeyer, right?
Yeah. And then suck the water.
How are you going to get it out of there?
We're going to use the vacuum to suck the water out.
All right, let me see what you're going to do. A little bit. And then you're going to transfer it to, you're going to weigh that one.
Mm-hmm. This is already pre-weighed so that we can separate it. We weighed it already. And then we're going to plug it into the vacuum and then separate it.
So now this has been decanted over, or
no,
it was
two more times.
it was actually vacuumed in.
Try the combined.
It was
Gravity filtered in.
Nah, it was, what's the difference? Wait, pipetted is gravity filter?
What did you do? What did you
We
use?
pipetted. I pipetted it.
With that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you used the
Pipette it from here.
pipette.
Take
Okay.
the liquid, move it over.
Did you
to
get
the
it all
flask.
out?
Yeah, because actually, there's a little bit more in there.
Okay.
It's nothing.
So I get to actually see you do it.
All right, everything is good here.
When you get a minute, let me see your laptop.
Okay.
Your name is Rosie. You're going to get more dichloromethane.
It's saying we can dry that bind dichloromethane layers with anhydrous calcium pellets. So it's saying remove the dichloromethane and add it into the pre-weighed vacuum.
You're trying to get more caffeine.
To that airline compression thing, and it dries up all the liquid of the dichloromethane. Now you have to weigh it with the caffeine in it and take the difference from the empty flask. Okay, fit the vacuum flask with a vacuum adapter. Okay.
Now what you gonna do?
Cover this up with a pipette bulb. We're about to put it in a hot sand bath. And then we got weird definitions of love, man.
Oh, why did it pop?
Okay, no, that's not on. Sorry, really.
What step are you on?
15 now. Yeah.
What'd you get?
Same thing, 40.032.
Okay, so what is the mass of caffeine?
The mass
You weighed the flask and the caffeine.
with the caffeine in it. Yeah.
So now, how are you not? What was the mass before?
I didn't write it down. Kyler has it.
Who's that?
My lab partner.
Tiffany's your lab partner. Who's that girl? Which one is yours?
The red top.
That one?
Mm-hmm.
Which one is yours? That.
But we're gonna see. Mine's in the back left.
The black one?
No, the left, yeah. You see anything? I'm not scared to touch my skin.
Nice. Class, this is Kayla, and this is her lab book. This is how I want your lab books to look like. So, before class, I want your lab books to look like Kayla's. As you can see, she writes out the procedure and leaves room for observations. Thank you, Kayla. So this is your sample. And you're gonna put your cold finger on there.
Oh, I got sand on there.
It's inside, doesn't matter.
At this point, it's over. No. So I'm just gonna
Clean up now. What is that in there? Is that
sand. I got sand in it, taking it out because it's hot.
And there's nothing in there.
Mm-mm.
Hold on. Overall was 12.15%. That's pretty good. That's good.